while we're talking about at the end of a rehabilitation or inpatient treatment or a rehabilitation treatment, we extensively talk about post-care treatment options. We talk about support while we reintegrate them into mainstream. To me, it is really about hand-holding their reintegration. If we could put it down into one statement, that's where our post-care services stand out. How does a clinician look at it? What do we also, our clinicians, do they also have some expectation from the recovering individual when they're on post-care? On how long is this really recovery? I mean, I know there is recovery at an inpatient stage. So as a general assumption, it's about give yourself milestones and say if you've achieved that. But then how long is really recovery?
I think before we dwell into how long recovery is, I think we need to make things clear when we say recovery. What do we mean by recovery? The general notion is recovery means if the individual has alcohol problem, stopping the alcohol is the recovery, is the general perception that individuals have. But from a medical point of view, when we talk about recovery, we don't mean that the person has recovered when he stops taking alcohol. No. Recovery is a journey, where despite the individual having problems because of alcohol or maybe associated to alcohol, we accept that and we help the person go through a normal life where we are looking at larger aspects of well-being. Coming back to, is a rehabilitation and is an end in itself, and then recovery starts from the day the person steps out of the rehabilitation center? The answer is no.
So the day he decides to take help is the first day of
yes, the day he decides and the day he starts approaching problem as a problem, I think the recovery has started there. And rehabilitation is not a procedure, or it is not an intervention that I begin something and I end something. It is not like a surgical procedure where I remove something and after 10 days, 15 days, the person is out of it. It's a journey that the individual should be ready. It's a journey the family should be ready. It's a journey that, of course, the professionals are there. That's that's what they're trained for. So a rehabilitation is a journey, and rehabilitation center that they stay in, it's the beginning. It is not an end. By staying in a rehabilitation center for a month or even for 3 months, it is not that the person has transformed. No. The transformation has begun by staying in the rehabilitation center with the help of the professionals, and he needs to continue to seek, continue to take that professional help so that he can continue to be away from the alcohol if that is the wish, or reduce or minimize the problems that is associated with alcohol. So that is where the post-care that comes in, and it is absolutely the most essential one. And as clinicians, I think that is what they would be looking for, because they would be the first people to recognize that just a stay of a month or 3 does not end anything. It is a beginning.
Interesting.